welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from ISEE Hair. Whenever I get units from ISEE Hair, I'm always super excited because the quality of their wigs are just so good and the love and care they just put into them are chef's kiss. However, normally one of the main things I love about them is their lace, but today's wig has no lace. We're installing this here unit, which is a half wig, and the way they have constructed the unit, basically you won't even be able to tell that I'm wearing a half wig, and we're gonna get multiple styles out of it. So I'm excited to show y'all. Let's get started. So I got a textured wig. I got the Kinky straight, so I think we should do pretty well at getting it to match my hair texture. Oh, that smells good. That smells real good. I don't know, it just has really good smell. So I have a 20-inch Kinky texture wig that is nice and full. So it has an elastic band in here that is adjustable, and it also has a drawstring in here for more security, so you're able to make it nice and tug and fit on your head. Because if you wear half wigs, V-part wigs, U-part wigs, you know how those have been structured. Basically they are not the most secure. Like, you can feel a little slip and slide action when you wear those, but with the way they have constructed this one, it has the combs right here in the middle, two on the side. You have an elastic band, and this drawstring, making it fit more in the nape area, is going to make it feel more secure and less tension than a U-part or V-part wig on your edges. So you don't have to feel like your edges are getting, you know, pulled and tugged, because sometimes they do be happening to me when I wear a V-part or a U-part wig. And the reason I want to call it the invisible part, drawstring can also be invisible because you can just tuck it right in the back of the wig, so no one's going to be able to tell that you have a drawstring at the back of your unit. And then the invisible hairline, they've made it where the hair basically tucks right there where it begins, so when your hair, your natural hair, is over it, you won't even be able to see where the wig starts. I think I'm just going to leave out about the first 2 inches of my hairline out, because I think the less hair that's out, the better. Okay, whew. Looking a little crazy at the moment, but let's go ahead and slide this back some. Combs and wigs are my best friend. I always utilize the combs that the wigs have. I feel like they just put a little extra sense of security in there. I know some people cut theirs out, but I normally use mine. Okay, now I feel like the wig is secure. Before I do anything extra, we're just seeing what we're working with. Y'all, I think I need to pull out a little bit more hair right here. I do think I'm going through a spell of losing my hair, if I'm being honest, because my hair used to be very thick, and lately it is not. It is very thinned out. So I've gone to get some tests done just to make sure everything is good, because I noticed that I lose a lot of my hair when I wash it, comb it, anything. It just seems like a lot of it is coming out. I don't know what might be going on, but that's besides the point. So that's why I'm loving wigs even more nowadays, because I don't know what's going on with my natural hair. But we talk about that later. So here is what this hairline is looking like, and I am pretty pleased, because who gonna tell me I got a wig on right now? This is no styling done, of course. Who is going to tell me that I have on a wig right now? This looks like this could be my hair. Hold on. Okay, what styles are we going to do, y'all? Mind you, I'm able to flip and twist and turn my head any kind of way I want to. And this wig is staying right where I placed it. So, let's see. I like this. It feels really gentle on my head, which I think I need right now, especially with what I just told y'all. I think I need that gentle feel and vibe on my natural hair and just wearing it in general. You want it to feel comfortable, and this feels comfortable, and I just don't feel like there's any tension around my head, and it feels secure. So, do we see how I put this on it? Just blend it super quick. So, I think first, of course, we are going to do I think we're going to do a flip over method for my first style. And then maybe a half up, half down do. And maybe even try and get some ponytail action. Do we think I can do it? We're gonna try. So first, let's do this flip over method. So one thing I think I'm going to do to the hair, it has like the kinky texture to it, but I think I'm just gonna go over it a little bit with my flat iron, straighten it out some.
I think it's got a hot tub. Proudly serving the entire military community. Navy, Federal.
Oh dang. I didn't expect that.
I apologize for what my daughter did. Save your breath. A pretty speech isn't gonna make me drunk.
I think that really laid them edges down. I don't know, what y'all think? I used a little bit of product. I don't like to cake up my edges, so. Okay, side part is finished, or flip over instead of side part. Looks good, looks good. Of course, I have to show you guys what that front hairline looks like. I'd like to say this looks pretty good. I mean, clearly, she ain't my hair, but it's a good match. It is a good match. Now we have to try something different. I said half up, half down, didn't I? Y'all think I could do it? Let's try. Let's try. wait, I did that. Mind you, half wig, full look, vibes. Now, the last one I'm gonna do is the attempt of a ponytail. Do not have high expectations on me right now, but I'm gonna put faith in myself. I got this, I got this. I went with a low pony. So I went with a low pony because that is what won't expose so much of the back of my head. Y'all can see what it looks like in the front. I don't have it super slick, mainly because I feel like this looks a lot more natural and realistic. I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments. But let me just show y'all what it looks like in the back so you can see what we're working with. Now, of course, my hair is exposed back here. And then the back has a similar make to the front hairline. So really, it's hidden back there too. Yes, you probably can see a little bit that it is a wig. I didn't say it was perf, but with a little bit of finagling, we can make it look more realistic there. So that's what it looks like back there and in ponytail form. Chill hair vibe. Really love this hair from ISEE Hair. So if you guys are interested in this little part situation, make sure you guys check out the link below to get this exact same wig so you can style her up and get you multiple hairstyles out of it. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sending it over. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.